don't know if we're going to call this start of corn harvest. How about the unofficial start? We're going to get going good for, I don't know, maybe another day or so. Welcome back to Mid-10, y'all. Got a few little things buttoned up on the corn head. Then hopefully, fingers crossed, we can shell some corn today. We got a new cover yarn put on over here. We got to grease chains. We got oil chains. I need some oil. We got to put it all back in the side right here. A few little things to do, and we should be ready to roll. So we are going to get cracking at it. Here's the reason I changed this one out. If you can see, it's welded together. Cog's about shot. This head was used when we bought it, and this was like that when we got it. And it's run for, how long have we had it? 9 years, 10 years, 9 maybe. Anywho, so the cog was getting short, so I just ordered a whole new shaft. So we'll put this in the scrap pile. We're getting closer to being ready to cut corn. Got the folder out right now. Got us a couple bags of feed and mineral. We got to bring combine and dump trucks through this field we're coming through to get back to the first corn field. So I got to move cows out of it, so I'm locked in a different field just for the rest of the day. Okay, come on. They got a loper. There's lopers down there. Yeah, come on. Yeah, I'm talking to you about it. Hey, quit biting my sack. Hey, what I say about biting my sack? Quit that. No. That's got the cows occupied for a little while. We will go get the combine and see what we can get into. Well. We're in the combine. We got the head on. We're going to head to the back of the farm up here and see what kind of damage we can do. About 2:30. Today is a Monday. Today's Monday. No, today's a Tuesday. Yeah. Today is a Tuesday. Got 2 gates and a wood gap to go through. I may or may not have to go back and get the pole saw. I haven't been through here with the new tires on yet, so we might be a little bit too tall. We're going to find out, though. Now, I don't know if we're going to call this start of corn harvest. How about the unofficial start? We're going to get going good for, I don't know, maybe another day or so. Corn's still pretty high in moisture, and we're going to run most of this straight on the market. Get that cash flow going again. But we're gonna do what we can do. Get this first gap. Not first gap, this is the second gap. We'll see if we can knock everything down. Boy, she is tight. And we made it through. And didn't tear the step off. We're good to go. So that's got the tie spot taken care of. Get up here and run through the woods. Probably should have brought the pole saw up here. A little bit taller than I was. Alright, pile her down. Engage. Got a little bit cut so far. Ain't turned out too hot. So, yeah, we're over halfway cut with the field, and we haven't even, we ain't cut the 3 loads of the combine. We should be at least about 6 loads so far. So she's going to be running a little bit short. We'll crunch final numbers here in a little bit and figure out. But this field right here, so as I was saying before, the camera so rude of itself died on me. This morning didn't too hot. This is the earliest stuff that we planted. Now we do have some custom work to get into, probably do tomorrow. That we do for my uncle. It's also early corn. And it's not going to be too hot. So we should have all the early corn knocked out here in just, man, probably 2 days. Just kind of rough figures. We're thinking it's sitting about 80 bushels. Not too bad considering the conditions we've had. And the other thing is, grass has come back in this field bad. Now, they just planted some pans. We cut hay 2 weeks ago. And the field was still clean. However, we got a bunch of rain since then. And y'all know good well that grass comes on when it rains. So, we're fighting the grass here. It's not too bad. Corn's not yellow yet. But very good. Being early planted. And this is kind of this is one of the higher fields we plant as far as elevation wise. Hilltop field. So, you know, it is what it is. We're going to keep hammering it out. Hopefully get the move this evening. And this thing back tomorrow. Oh, and we just have to jump the combine off. Gotta buy batteries first thing. Hopefully I can get some batteries for tomorrow. You know, one of them things. Make one thing is 10 others. Y'all remember that. We got this little field knocked out. Didn't do too hot at all. You know, we're less than 80 bushels an acre. We got it early off the bang this year. So we're going to get back. I've got my voltage light on right now. I'm pretty sure my batteries are smoked. So we got to get back down to the bottom. So we ain't going to leave the combine up in the back of the farm tonight. Think about it. It's either batteries or alternator or my alternator belt. And I can't remember what we put batteries on, maybe 16. But alternator belt on about that time too. Could be the alternator. So we ain't gonna move the combine tonight. then head off of it, park it in the shed, and figure out what our problem is. And hopefully be able to get parts tomorrow. Hopefully it's just batteries. Back at it again today. Had to go get batteries from the combine. That it seemed to fix our alternator light issue. So yeah, batteries fixed alternator light issue. It's already midday, so we burnt up most of the morning between putting batteries on this and I serviced the semi this morning, change oil, filters and stuff, get everything moved. Still have to go get the semi. We already got both dump trucks over there, and I can start running. So I'm thinking about 1. It'll probably be about 1 before we really get cranking on anything. We're back, been going for about an hour. We got about half of this first field cut. And it has some spots with 0, I mean, goose egg corn in it. And it has some spots for like cutting 150 bushels. So it's all over the place. But I'm kind of expecting to do that here. This is we're on our custom stuff for our uncle. It was planted a lot earlier than everything else was. I say a lot earlier. It was probably 10 days earlier than we planted the majority of our corn. And I think that 10 days was just right to put it right in pollination during the middle of June when we had triple-digit heat here. So it is what it is. We're glad that there is some corn out here to cut. The right side kind of deal. This little field, I can go. It ain't very big. I usually run down and back, and I'm full. Now I'm going. I'm probably running back and forth 10 times, 5 down and 5 back up before I'm full. And usually I do 2, down 2 and back 2. Combine speed. Good news is we haven't cut enough to fill a semi up. And this corn is dry, so I think we're running about 13% moisture. So we're going to be running this to market. You gonna put your feet on this? Here. Hold on. Alright, just where we're letting all the cold out. Big spot of morning glories, Dylan.
What?
Got some big spot of morning glories. That's my nemesis. Pretty much my arch enemy. Got this side finished up. So me and Dalton We're about to go jump on the road. We got to drive back around the backside of the farm. And we got a few markers over our cut. Slick, I guess. You got dirt on your face. Other side. Look at it. Boy. There. I know you spit on my hand and wipe your face off. Oh, hold still. Like they my kids would lick my finger and wipe my face. Get in. Yes, barely. Look at that. Like a glove. Well, we about had this little boo-boo there, folks. That tire out there. I suppose we just had 2 new tires put on the dump truck air site. Told them to keep the spare, keep the best one we wanted, the best one kept set aside for us. I set it back at the dump truck. We come out here and didn't check it. Luckily, Dalton, on his game here today, he checked it back at the dump truck a while ago and found it. So it's good save. We've been digging corn out of the dump truck. We left it in there. So good catch on Dalton's part. We'll get that back to the house and put it up for our spare tire because, I mean, it's not wore out, but everybody needs a good spare. So that'll make us a good spare. We're back on the last field now. Got her all opened up. Well, almost all opened up. I got one more in room to go now. Looks like the yield's running about half at all, which is not great, but not as bad as we thought it was going to be. No dust streak down here. Let's see. There he is. I see him now. Don't need to be running into the dump truck. Guess he's feeling pretty ballsy. He drove a truck back here in the back. He should be able to get out of here. Let's see, interior light. What? Oh yeah, interior light. Ah, there we go. So it's getting dark. We just got a little bit left in this field. Maybe just like 3 acres, which is not going to fill the truck up. So, that being said, it's a good place to let y'all go. Appreciate everybody being along. Remember to like and subscribe. Feel free to drop comments if you'd like to. Like always, good Lord's will, catch you on the flip side. Till the next.